If you want to stop paying for your Klap AI account, here is how to cancel it. Go to Klap AI, click on the top right icon, and find the billing option in the menu. Then you will see all the payments you are scheduled to pay in the future, and you will have a cancel option next to them. Click it. They ask you why you are closing the account, so choose something that suits you. Then they want to know what to approve, and then a pop-up will ask you to confirm that you want to close the account. Unlike other services where you can cancel and still use the subscription until the end of the paid period, here, when you cancel, it will delete everything. So make sure you downloaded all the shorts you created and want to save. To download them, you need to go one by one. Go to your dashboard, click on each video you want to get the shorts from, then download them one by one by clicking on the download button under the shorts. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.